another day of this challenge thing over. I wasn't actually planning on making another video today. Well, I was initially, and then things just didn't go to plan. And as a result of that, I was feeling quite upset and a bit down, and time was running out, and it is running out. It's nearly 9 o'clock and I'm recording the intro to this video. Let's see if I get it out. But yeah, I was planning on going to a mate's house today to see out this coronavirus and hang out with him for a little bit. That didn't happen, but I ended up recording B-roll pretty much up until that point. I'm gonna play that B-roll now. Let's roll these clips. You can see how close I got from leaving, and it just didn't happen. But that's okay. Back home, set up again. So this video, as a result of not having too much time or enough content to actually make something out of, I've decided to put together some speed art that I recorded around 1.5 weeks ago. This is a cheeky little sneak peek of what I created in terms of the artwork. So without further ado, I'm gonna play the speed art and I will have everything explained in the video tomorrow.